तिनका भी हमारे तो हिलाए नहीं हिलता। अल्लाह अल्लाह, तिनका, आला हजरत रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु सेज़, तिनका भी हमारे तो हिलाए नहीं हिलता, तुम चाहो तो हो जाए अभी कोहे मिहन फूल। अल्लाहु अकबर। What does this mean? He says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, we, your ummatis, do not possess the ability and the power to even shake an atom. What is our awqat? What is our power? We possess no power. If we wish and we desire, we can't even shake an atom. Tum chaho to ho jaye abhi kohe mihan phool. Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But if you desire, if you wish, then even a mountain of grief and pain may instantly become soft and delicate, just as a flower, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. This is the tawajjuh. This is the nazar of Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam when he would cast his merciful sight upon anybody. Look at the miracles of the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. When my Aqa will desire, when my Aqa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam wishes to do something, he showed his blessed finger to the moon and the moon split it into two halves. Allahu Akbar. This is the ishara of Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Through the blessings of his blessed saliva, the poison of the snake bite had vanished from the blessed foot of Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam touched the damaged and injured eye of Hazrat Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. At one juncture, at one place, the eye of Hazrat Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had come out from his socket. And he came to the Holy Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam saying, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, my eye has come out. Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam did not tell him, oh Qatada, do I look like a doctor to you? No. Rather, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam told him, oh Qatada, come closer to me. He took his blessed eye, he opened the eyelid, and he placed the eye of Hazrat Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu back into its socket and place. And then he placed his Mubarak saliva around the eye and his face. And then he told him, oh Qatada, open your eye and tell me, how do you see? Allahu Akbar. Hazrat Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu opened his eye and he says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, I can see better now than ever before. Subhanallah, subhanallah. No doctor, no operation, nothing. It is the hands of Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Subhanallah. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam indicated towards a dumb person, jo bol nahi sakta. He was gunga, he was a dumb person, he could not talk. Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam made ishara. He indicated towards that person. It is mentioned that he spontaneously started to talk like he had no problem. Allahu Akbar. It is mentioned that Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam just touched those who were incurable. There was no ilaj. There could not be any cure for them. But my Aqa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam touched them and immediately they gained cure and shifa. Subhanallah, subhanallah. Arey, leave alone the touch of my Aqa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. That gully, that area from where my Master sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam even passed, that place became khake shifa. Subhanallah, subhanallah. Dear viewers and listeners of Madani Channel, this is our beloved Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Even those things that got nisbat and connection with the body of Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam have the ability and the power to grant you shifa. Because it is mentioned in the ahadith that the water in which his blessed clothes would be dipped, जिस पानी में मेरे सरकार सल्लल्लाहु ta'ala alayhi wasallam की मुबारक कपड़े को डुबाया जाता, in that water in which Nabi Kareem sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam's clothes used to be dipped would be given to the sickly people, and immediately they will be given shifa and cure. Subhanallah, subhanallah. So Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, Tinka bhi hamare to Hilaye nahi hilta. We do not possess the power and ability to shake an atom. Tum chaho to ho jaye abhi kohe mihan phool. O beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but if you desire, then even a mountain of grief may instantly become soft and delicate, just as a flower. Subhanallah, subhanallah.
Tinka bhi hamare to Hilaye nahi hilta. Tinka bhi hamare to Hilaye nahi hilta. Tum chaho to ho jaye abhi kohe mihan phool. Tum chaho to ho जाए अभी कोहे मिहन फूल, लब फूल दहन फूल ज़क़न फूल बदन फूल।